What's up, YouTube? So today we're gonna be flying my drone in resort, mambukal resort, guys. So yeah, this is gonna be like fun over there. A lot of you ask me like why I haven't posted any like origami videos or anything video, because I like my drone. And I suggest I didn't go to mambukal resort right now, guys. And we're in almost right over there, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm heading to mambukal, guys. This will take about 30 minutes to travel to mambukal, guys. Yeah, we're traveling to the road right now. We got my drone over there. Yeah, that's right. Same drone from my other videos of drone videos. Got a new restaurant over there, guys, and yep, and let's go to mambukal. So, and yeah, guys, look at that. Look at the road over there, and yeah, guys, look at that. Yeah, look at the papaya over there. So yeah, guys, and I'm gonna be right back ahead for mambukal resort, because I know this is gonna be a long, probably because it's gonna be 30 minutes. So we're back. Okay, guys, we're in mambukal resort right now. So yeah, so we're gonna be testing my drone if it's gonna work in this wide field area with no trucks or cars or jeepneys, motorcycles, other vehicles, guys. Look at this, guys. Because I had what's my battery, guys. And may isama sa sulod but the other wala. Yeah, guys, so the other was yeah, guys. So I've come back to low battery, guys. Yeah, guys, so look at this. Actually, the battery had lost all of a sudden, guys, after a few minutes. And we know yan. I don't know where the heck I don't know where it did go, guys. Where? Yeah, guys, so I got my battery now, so we're gonna be flying it right now. Yes sir, guys. Okay, guys, I have already repaired my drone. So yeah, so before I fly my drone, please smash the like button off so that I can fly a lot higher in another place, guys. So stay tuned for that. Let's fly, guys. Let's record. Let's go. I hope it does not. Okay, guys, the battery's not good right now. Impressive. It's a kid, guys. Hello there, kid. Hello. Bye-bye there. Okay, guys, we got. Oh. Okay, guys. I'm flying with. Okay, I can already see the birds. Okay, guys. Oh God, drone attack. Oh God, drone attack. Drone attack. Oh God. I want to see the birds. Oh God, the birds. Okay, I'm flying over. Okay.